Hello everyone, this is Mario from Kanen Coffee. Here we have this beautiful DeLonghi Dynamica Espresso machine. Now for this machine, we just replaced the motherboard, this one right here. This machine had a very peculiar problem. When you plug it in, the machine will just start grinding non-stop. I guess one of the components of the board just basically failed and was transferring power to the grinder, and it was just continuously spinning. We replaced the board, and now the machine is just working the way it's supposed to. So starting one shot of espresso, we're gonna be testing out, then we're gonna be using the hot water and then the steam. Estaba prematurely.
I see your fingers.
Warrior's little.
All right, there you go. As you can see, the machine is now putting a shot. We're gonna do that again as well.
I have a signature.
Everything else on the machine is working perfectly fine. There's no leaks coming out from the hydraulic side. The machine is grinding and also extracting. As you can see, we have a nice steady stream coming out from the spouts. And of course, we don't have the grinding of the machine being constantly or anything like that, like it was before. Hot water, a nice steady stream coming out from the one. And once the thermal block that is located on the side of the machine gets up to temperature, we get to see a little bit of steam. Over here is the temperature, the thermal block, the boiler of the machine, water pump right here, transmission up and down. Right now it's a little bit hot, but as the thermal block gets up to temperature, water pump starts pulsing water into the thermal block, then out of the thermal block into the steamer assembly, out of the steamer assembly, and then like this on the steam. So there you have it. The DeLonghi Dynamica working once again and ready to brew. Thank you so much for preparing with Kanen Coffee. Please subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already. Hit the like, hit the bell, and thanks for watching.